Hey y'all, it's Andine Shanae, and in today's video I will be having you guys watch me install this Amazon wig. This is a 13 by 4 36 inches pre-plucked wig from Ucrown hair with a density of 150. As I am showing you guys, I did use 40 volume developer with the bleach powder to bleach my knots, and also I left it in there from about 20 to 30 minutes to make sure it is all bleached out. Do not mind my mannequin head, y'all. We've been through a lot. It's been years in this, okay? You guys aren't going to see me pluck a lot because, as I said in the beginning of the video, this is a pre-plucked wig, so I don't want to pluck it too much because eventually over time it will start to shed. Look at me looking heck, y'all. Oh my god. But I don't know if you guys know, but I do have locks, so that's why it looks kind of bulky. I try to get it as flat as I can, so yeah. Also, this is my first time doing the wig cap method, y'all. I never use the wig cap when I put on my wigs, but today I did it because... And can I just say, not installing your wig in front of a big old mirror in the bathroom is the hardest thing ever, y'all. I was struggling so much. I messed up so much, which is why I just made it a watch me install this wig. Y'all, let me just tell y'all now, y'all are going to see the mistakes that I make, and I'm going to see the mistake that I make, and y'all gonna see my face that I made, and y'all just gonna be like, girl, cause how? Like, this is... Look, yep, right there. I forgot to cut the sides, y'all. Forgot to cut the sides, but I got them in time. Y'all, so right here, I was struggling to cut my lace off because I wasn't in the mirror and I didn't have a mirror in front of me. I was using the body mirror all the way across the room and I could barely see. So I just went to the bathroom and did it there. Okay, so I am done. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys would like a detailed how to install a wig better in the bathroom, because I promise y'all I could do a better job than I did in this video. But if you guys would like that, comment down below and I will do that for you guys. Thank you guys for watching.